Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this logarithmic equation on the board. Now, if you want to solve this question correctly, since the bases are the same, the first step you are going to apply here is quotient logarithmic properties or negative logarithmic property. That is, where we have minus, we are going to replace it with division. And applying this principle, the left-hand side expression will be expressed as log into 3x minus 1 divided by 2 base 10. Then you are going to take the log of both sides at the same time, and this equals log 10 to the power of 1 base 10. Now, since the log have the same base in both sides of the equation, we are free to eliminate them. Then as such, the equation becomes 3x minus 1 divided by 2 equals 10. 10 to the power 1 still gives us 10. And note that this is over 1. Now the next step to apply here is cross multiplication. And the equation becomes 3x minus 1 equals 2 times 10. That gives us 20. When as such, we are going to collect like terms now, and we have here 3x equals 20. If you move negative 1 down here, it becomes plus 1. Therefore, 3x equals 20 plus 1. That gives us 21. Then to get the value of x, you divide both sides of the equation through by 3, and x equals 21 divided by 3. Therefore, x equals 21 divided by 3. That gives us 7. And x equals 7. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.